Hi, here is José from Portugal, and in this quick video I want to teach how you can upgrade, how you can make new members with your Credit Wallet. Okay, this is a very powerful tool for you to duplicate your team, for you to duplicate your metrics. Okay, first we go to the main company site, Stifar.com. You log in with your username and password, and when you log in, the first information appears in my back office, and I think in yours too, is this information about the new bonus. Okay, so you can go to home here, or you can go also with for your Credit Wallet, but let's make it easy. You go click in home, okay, and you have any credit in your Credit Wallet, you see here. Okay, I have this money in my Credit Wallet. Just for now, I spend the rest in the others with other members. Okay, and you click, you see you have this money in credit. Click here, you see this is a link to assign it to purchase order. Okay, if you click here, you jump for the first step for your upgrade on payment rule that you choose. Okay, you have two boxes in the first step. First box, input the user ID of your account you would like to credit, or the second box, input the username of the account you would like to credit. Okay, this first option is only for people that is not a paying rule. Okay, let's work with a paying rule, and I think it's more safe use the user ID. Any paying rule have an ID. Okay, and where you can find this ID, you go to Contact Manager. Okay, Contact Manager. For this intention, I create a fake paying rule. Okay, I don't want to show to all the people the other identifications. Okay, so this is a test activation. Is my paying rule, my fake paying rule. You click, if you click here in the name, you see opens all the information about this paying rule. Okay, and here in the top you find the number ID. Okay, you can copy. Okay, copy. Copiar is copy in Portuguese. Copy. Let's go again to home. Okay, let's click here to assign the credit. First box, you can put past the number. Okay, click and continue, and you jump for the second step. Okay, second step, you choose the option that you want to offer to this new payment rule. Option 1, monthly membership. Option 2, yearly membership. Option 3, yearly membership. Okay, and we have to choose any one of them. Okay, of course you will work more with option 1. Okay, and because I don't have money for the other ones. Okay, and you have to step for your new payment rule, a username and a password. Don't forget, after all done, you tell to your new member to change fast this password. Okay, for one of them. Okay, I already set up a password for these intentions. Okay, one username, let's put here, also a password. Okay, the confirmation, and continue. Okay, and after that, very simple, very easy. You are in the last step, step number 3. Okay, you confirm all the information, the money that you will spend with it, and if you click in issue credit, you make a new member for your team. Okay, and you have to contact this member to give him or her the password and ask for change it in the back office. Okay, I don't go do that because I don't want to spend my money with a fake Penhuli. Okay, hope you understand. This is a very powerful tool for duplicate your team. Don't forget, do it very smart, but do it constantly. Okay, hope you understand me. I apologize one more time for my English. It's not the best because my main language is not English. Okay, see you soon. Okay, make things happen, and let's go strong with this technique. Okay, see you. God bless you.